Upper Lanao in Moalboal. Look at nice. This is a field. Pinindot ko yun.
Cornfield ba? Cornfield.
Maybe, but hala, nagsunod siya. Hi, Dago. Ay, lahat nila.
Hi.
Hi, Ivan. Ivan. Ivan.
This is corn,
Ivan.
guys. Made from scratch.
Hotoka. Hotoka.
This is
Ay.
Ano sa pangalan na ni?
Hi, guys. So this is Eve.
Balanghoy.
That's kangkong.
Oh, this is balanghoy, di ba? Root crops, balanghoy.
Yeah.
Sa Cebu.
Yes.
In Leyte, this is called calibre.
Yes. So we're vlogging today. So this is
Welcome to our
Eve.
vlogs.
And this is my
This
dog,
is Alvin.
Ivan. Yes.
Alvin. Isa.
So welcome to our vlog. Hi vlog, welcome to our guys.
Flower with no flower.
He loves me na.
Nice, nice. This is flower.
Dik, so entertain na to sila dik. It's a house.
Wow.
It's a
mansion.
house. Kind of.
It's a mansion.
Dito bong oy. Wala mo na nga dito.
So, asa mag-shortcut in Mogisco?
Okay, mag-meeting ta. Mag-vlog ta. Ato. Okay, hi guys. Say hi everyone. Hi.
Hi guys, hi vlog.
I-wide na ko guys.
Say hi vlog.
Ivan.
So this is
say hi,
mag-vlog daw ta, mag-vlog daw. Mag-vlog mo daw go.
Welcome
1, 2,
to our
3,
vlog.
go.
Hi, welcome to our vlog. We are in Upper Lanao.
Upper Lanao. Lunaw, Lanao.
It's Lanao.
Upper Lanao,
Upper
Moalboal.
Lanao in Moalboal.
We just went out. What's this?
This is Bukid.
This is Bukid.
I don't
guys.
know.
This is how Bukid feels.
Yeah,
This is how Bukid feels. It's very refreshing.
true.
And look, that's one of our coconut tree.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Our house.
Yes,
That's our house.
we're coming over there.
Yes, we're coming over. Ano, pink na tree.
Bougainvillea ba na?
Kahoy na mo. Flower na, di ba?
Yeah.
Ay, dako sa bougainvillea ko.
Yes.
Nice nila.
Wala mo na bridge dito. Oh.
Yes
Bridge
pa.
na, or-
Para sa ilang balay.
Wala mo siyang bridge. Kaya naamay ka ng sapa.
Hi, there's a lot of dogs and scared.
Wala ba sila? Awayan nila sa Ivan.
Okay, friends
No.
sila. Friends sila. Ala, di mo rin. Di sila ko dito.
Ivan is okay.
Go away. Go away. Go home. Go home, Ivan.
Hello, day. Mga
Wala,
dogs.
mag-iyot na
Why?
sila ro. Mag-iyot na sila ro.
Everyone.
Ay,
Ah.
sa kuwan ni Dere.
Guys, live action iyot there.
Look, Isti.
Out there. Live action iyot. We're about to see what they're gonna do.
Chicken ito. Ay, it's...
Kuwan ni Dead End.
No, padung
Picture
siya.
ito. Sa katong bridge puno.
Ari, agi padung sa kuan.
Sa katong sapa.
Yeah.
Oh my God, stop! Stop!
Stop.
Otoke ba, day? Otokes.
Ano ta sa kanang kuan ba dito sa kanang
Jilo dakpad ka diha Jilo.
Otokes how?
No trespass.
Di kay paduman sa sa pink food dito ah.
Wag ya poy pulos ilang gate. Di po dira man diri maging kawatan. Oh,
Ano ba si Wade dito, diba?
Yeah.
diri ba?
Wait, alat siya.
Gate na nila ya. Maagi diri kawatan. Wag ya.
Maghihap.
Useless motherfuckers.
Nice.
This lang house.
It's like a resort.
Yes.
Day, kuha ko na akong brown eyes, day.
So,
Sige. Ano na? Asa? Nalibot ko doon. Ayan, ay, joke ka. Ay, aring ka dahil kay. Aring sa, aring aside ako kanon. Aring aside. Okay.
Have you seen
Ari ka.
a brown eye chick?
Brown, oh, brown eyed chick. Okay, ari.
Flower.
Ano day? Uy, kung sa mata pikas.
Dala ko na akong brown eye, day.
I know that he loves me cause he told me so. Just like,
I know
cover.
that he loves me. Uy, uso ka na sa cover music. Ay, pwede na mabubulin din yan.
Yeah.
di mo na siguro nila. Di mo na part of the
Yeah, lahan oy.
Ay,
Pero afam ata ang tuiyan. Napid yun na pool dito.
Nagpariprap, ana.
Mao
Yeah.
kay marami gate ay lita kasulod.
True. Musot ka to, Jelo.
Pwede ka rin mo agi.
Sabi ko siya, maka-picture ba ko?
Flower.
Look, it's a flower.
I want you to stay. Stay in our hours.
Okay, cover. Mr. Cover after.
Jelo, ayaw dyan i-delete ha.
Pwede ko picture ko daw.
Gigo. Asan cellphone? Picture siya.
Picture lang.
Ato labay, day.
Ang nature.
Nature lover. I-chock kayo na ang pusti. Sige, diha.
Ano?
Okay, smile. Apil wala ko tail.
Ikaw, nice ba dito?
Dili din yung tail. Perfect. More.
Let's go. Thank you very
Balik na ta. Malahos ta.
Mahos ta, day. Pwede tumawag din.
Di pwede malibang sa kotse.
There's ban ma, day, oh.
Dito, oh.
No,
Ray.
Ilo lang alam ko, ano.
Hindi ka suway na mo ka ng kilibang sa kalagsabutan. Dahil sa, ay huno sa takay. Itong ikaw ng shadow na to.
Wala pa ka-try. Pero ka-try ko nangihi.
Video ba? Video.
Video na, day. Di pila na kami next day.
Video na?
Oh, ganyan
Ay,
pala siya.
6 minutes. Okay.
Vlog wala siya.
So we are doing ghost hunting.
Ano,
We're
I
gonna go
love the
hunting.
picture. Wala, ganun
because
ako
we are
picture
the
ay.
hunters.
Ano ako picture?
Yeah,
Ako na
it's because of the
We're
sun.
gonna go hunting because we are the hunters.
We're going to
Matot
do.
sila. Ano, sila
Okay,
sa nagsa-
everyone, private property.
That's our
no
private
trespassing. We're not gonna trespass because we're going to jail.
Ano ito, jail? Multa 5K.
So, hi.
Napunta ka na.
Say hi.
Hi to our vlog. Hi guys. Okay, stop. Can you say hi to our vlog?
So if you don't know this, guys, this is a very rare material of the Philippines. It's the hollow block. Spell it, everyone.
White hollow blocks. Spell hollow blocks. Spell, guys.
Oh, so here is our
Wow, nice place.
rice
Our
field.
cornfield.
Our cornfield.
I don't. Yeah. Oh yes,
Wow, bro.
cornfields. Let's go.
Wow.
Diba? Ang ganda.
Sinus yung kamera sa phone ni Jen.
Lagi no?
What's the taste of the corn? Is this the one from Coco Crunch?
Yeah.
It's
Yeah.
Corn is made
At
of
libre ba yun?
corn.
yeah.
I guess.
Ah.
Malupiton.
Malapit.
Tinatawagan ka namin. Sana makipag-collab ka. Charot.
Picture ko nyo dito.
Sana makipag-collab ka sa aming vlog.
Picture ko.
Oh my God.
Picture. Nasa ba? From rice field ba?
Oh, ninit ang rice field dyan.
Ato, ato
Sige
ka.
dyan.
Lagi go.
Rice field.
Let's go.
Yeah. More. Jump shot.
Stop.
Ay, last. Rice field ang cornfield.
Yeah, nasa Evan. Laya kayo
Like, ikaw na sa gunit, day.
Gaka libe. Ivan. Nangangati yung ulo ko, guys. Nagahilas.
Oh, I love it.
Random kayo ba?
Masa kayo ka na maglolo di asa? Mag-finger ka direct. Video ang tigas din.
Nagikan disco po yun. Ay,
Yeah.
nagpiki.
Ay, that's malunggay, guys.
Yeah. And if you will eat that, your poop will have green. Di kayo di mahilig sa.
Di mo yun.
International followers. This is
International followers.
feels look like. So it's kind of if you want to fuck, you can go with.
So please,
Yes, please. The proof I'm right.
please love Philippines. Hashtag Philippines. Hashtag Bongbong Marcos. Bago Pilipinas, bago mukha.
No to, kuya.
Say no to drugs.
Uy, gano'n ako drink a place. Ay. So nice. Mag-sort ka.
So this is how we walk. Is that a Homo sapiens? Saan siya day?
Homo habilis.
Homo erectus na day. Evolve na day. Oh my God! There are children playing.
In Ate Lanao, Moalboal. Hi vlogger. Say hi vlogger.
Hi vlogger.
Hi vlogger. Vlogger 2. Vlogger 2. Say hi vlogger 2.
I love.
Pwede makahawak na dyan. Hindi lang sa tiyo ang paglakaw.
10 minutes lang ang vlog.
Ako lang. Mag-post ako sa Facebook na sa.
Oh, memories ba? Nya, ay, kuha na pila ka years mo. Tatak din na si mong memories.
We went to...
I-censored lang tanang kuan.
Ano mga sports ba?
I want you to stay. Stay after. Haba. Oh. 11 na. 11:37. Lalo siya lagi na diha day.
Ay, pinapunay ko ng kwanto pa anak.
So this is how Homo sapien runs. Go Dai. Ivan, go Ivan. Kapuya oy. Yama. Na? Hello, what a nice view.
Another corner guys.
You're my best view. Hala, na si other dog. Ah, nice! Oh, sa kuno na diri eh. Shh, shh, shh.
Apa rin sila dali
Kuhaan ka ng data?
Data.
Alicia. Di ata tanahan. Dito data pa nagsama. Biyan na to sila. Masuya dayon. Masuya dayon ang bayot.
Ay, muli ko tato. Pwede na.
Okay, let's go everyone. Pwede mo pa music while na-vlog?
Ay, dili na.
Dili isa.
Pwede na ako ang music.
Sige, go. After hours. As you should.
Wait up.
So today guys, we're gonna dance so that we have an activity for today. Nadagat day. Yan, dali mag-jogging day no. Yung makasugat ka ng serial killer ba?
Mo ba ni? Dito.
Uday! Katong remix.
Muna ka.
Ours. Tulani.
Dito. Kaya kayo.
Eh.
Eh.
Eh, 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 eh.
Ivan!
Yeah. He's taking good care of us. Yeah.
Ay, dra ang mansion.
Yeah.
Para tabak back of our house, guys. There.
Yeah.
That's our house.
So you can see that. The white house with the blue. What do you call that? Whatever. Dali, dali na han.
Ay, una na ba?
Dali, ka na makita niya.
Ah, sa mga tagabi, dapat din ka na agi.
Oo, utbong ro. Ano mo nga rin? After hour. Kapilihan na nila diray.
Happy birthday.
May mga tiguang, no?
Ako.
Ka-cute, uy. Nice ko yun, oh my god.
Yeah, wala na. Ito. Ay,
Araw pa. Duro.
It's a nice place. Wow.
Maligid bitaw, ipaligid si Kuan diri ba Rachel charot lang. Wow, amazing.
Wow. This is how Bukid feels like.
Look, hangin.
Go eat. Hi, vlogger.
Hi. I don't know what is that. I don't know. My goodness.
Hindi ko na ginana na naman.
I know it's kuan.
It's root crops,
Tubo.
balanghoy.
No, it's tubo. Yeah, sugar cane. Look at the place. It's so amazing. Okay, Ivan, let's go.
Ivan.
Come on. Charis, nagpiste.
Ay, ba siya pangalan?
Di. Tuloy siya itong uyab doon. Ay, yung pangalan na nag-iro doon.
Buntis man.
Yeah, it's a girl. No, it's not. Pregnant.
It's pregnant. Di na tigil. Isa.
Hindi. Oh, dito. Alata, unahan. Ito ta. This is the chapel of the Upper Lanao Moabuo. Chapel.
Malboal has this kind of place. I
Yeah.
thought Malboal has only sea, water, beaches.
Just
But look,
bitches like
the
Jilo
other
and
side of
Eve.
Malboal is nature.
Yeah.
Look at guys, it's so nice.
So this is what Bukid looks
This is what
like.
Bukid looks like. And it's very refreshing. Nice water city. Ayun.
Yeah,
Oh, ducks silang gym. May
true.
pang gym ducks.
Yeah, ang bayo ni mo kay di ug si Elvin di sa ducks. So this is the gym of the Upper Lanao. It's so wide and it's so fucking amazing because they have the best gym in the world.
So,
Charis lang.
but the road is not easy.
Yeah.
Hala bro, may fog dito oh.
Fog ba?
May fog ba? Like parang more as
Ah.
smoke.
Dali no takalahos.
Asa tamang shortcut?
Hari.
Ay, diri.
Yeah.
Ala na, sabong dira gahapon glass.
Sabo nga perya man na.
Ano ba ka ng green ba?
Asa ba? Mura. Oo.
Sigo or sabong na lagi.
Sa sabong, sabong. Sabong ba na day?
Ay, di uy.
Di ay.
Kanang okra. Ay, pilihan sa dito. Asa man Ferris wheel?
Wala uy, gamay kang space.
So, diri
So, dadaan po kami sa shortcut patungo sa bahay. It's a rough road.
Uy, kasi may mga snakes din.
No.
Wala, day. Tabako na nato, day.
So, it's a rough road. So, kung dadaan kayo dito, please stay safe. I'm sorry guys,
Everyone,
Bisaya Taglish.
Please pray for us.
Yeah.
Uy, kasi may snakes din.
No. Wala.
Tabili.
Do you know what tabili is? Ano,
Lizard.
Jilo?
Di ba lizard?
Lizard ba
Naman
na?
house lizard. Naman sa
Yeah. It's a kahoy lizard.
wood lizard.
Yeah. I don't know what's tabili in
Ang house
English.
lizard is like toko.
Toko is, I don't know what's tuko.
Ano ba yung house lizard?
Ah, toko is kuan.
It's not dangerous. It helps the house to be free from insects.
True. Pero mahadlok siya tuko day. Mupilit man daw siya sa lawas. I don't know if it's true.
So,
Kung sa Jilo, puya na eh.
sige ko. Sa laban.
Please be safe everyone when you pass here.
When you come here, please be
Uy,
safe.
siya makaya day adili day. Dara ay makaya si Ivan. Dali day.
So more na shortcut. Gamay naman kayo. Muna lang inyo, Steph. Dara sa taas, Steph. Dali aras ha? Okay. Mau ba? Dura de. Pero layo sa tong gikuanan go. 20 minutes walk.
Okay.
Nya ang shortcut is like yeah, and ang shortcut kay mura siya like 2 minutes lang. 3,000. And the stones are very sharp. Ivan, say hi. Ivan. Dali aras na ra diri adi ay. My goodness. Ako na ni stop ha.